Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your PayPal account, making it harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Follow these steps to enable this feature. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to open your account settings. Step 3. Select Security. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Security tab to access your security options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-factor authentication or Two-step verification. Click on it and follow the prompts to enable the feature. Step 5. Choose your verification method. You will be given options for how you want to receive your verification codes, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Select your preferred method and complete the setup process. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your PayPal account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your verification method secure to maintain your account safety.